Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are all in the middle of a global health crisis, and since most of us are staying at home and practicing social distancing to prevent ourselves and our society from COVID-19, we really take this time to make self-care a priority. This is something which we usually neglect in our busy and fast-paced life. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna tell you what rice flour does to our skin. Rice flour really good for oily skin people. It removes all oily skin people right there. This mask is really helpful for you, so definitely try this. And honey makes our skin soft and smooth. So it's been more than 15 minutes. I'm gonna wash my face, then get back. So guys, I've just washed my face and it really feels good. If you guys really have oily or acne prone skin, then definitely try this. You can use it twice or thrice in a week. You can definitely get rid of acne and redness of your skin. I hope this tip has been useful to you and this mask works for you guys. So I'll see you in my next videos. Till then,